want to come back and try another day?
That was a disappointing way to start the day. Okay, so just so you guys are fully aware what happened. We woke up this morning at 5. We were on the road by 6. And then it was smooth. We got here on time, but I guess we just were a little bit late because they apparently started selling candy canes 30 minutes before park opening. And so I watched as like, I think it was like about 30 people ahead, I watched the last one go out. So that's a shame, but it's okay. So actually, I totally forgot. I was gonna go look for the gingerbread man, but I forgot that part of the reason that we came today is because today is the first day that they have the new bronze colored, it's like Bronze of the Bell colored spirit jerseys, the merchandise house. So I'm gonna go try to find that first. Alright, we found it. This is the Bell of the Bronze color. So they have ears, they have a t-shirt, they have the spirit jersey. Oh, and it comes with leggings. I like those leggings a lot, actually. Once again, your Donald pin collection's gotten even bigger.
He's so cute. He's a new foofy.
Okay, so I got the cheesy corn dog, which is cheddar sausage, tangy corn cheese sauce, chili lime dust corn fritters, pickled Fresno chilies, and cilantro on a toasted potato bun. Jackie's dog is a bacon street dog, which is an all beef hot dog, red pepper ketchup, peppers, onions, and bacon with fries. So here's your meal. So good.
The peppers with it taste really good. And the hot dog itself is good.
How about the bread?
The bread's always good.
You can't really go too wrong here.
The bacon doesn't taste like those bacon bits that you get from the container for salads. It tastes like actual bacon that they chopped up.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Whoa, that hot dog is super juicy, super tasty. I love the smokiness of it. It is burning my mouth though, that's hot. You ate a pepper. I think if I was to take the cheese sauce off of this hot dog and put it onto here, this would be the winner hot dog.
My winner is this one.
Yeah, I'll agree with you. I like yours better. Okay, and after an amazingly delicious lunch, here we are at Cars Land. It looks like the winter holiday has set in. The tires have been hung over the street with care. Oh my gosh, there's the Jingle Jamboree. I had no idea. Look at Mater, he's wearing a Santa hat. It seems like Lightning McQueen's not really feeling the Christmas spirit. I've located a Christmas tree. It's got little records on it. Alright, here we are. Radiator Spring Racers. What better way to kind of somewhat start your day than to win at Radiator Racers Spring. Wait, Radiator? Then to win. Okay, bite his face off.
I'm not gonna bite his face off.
Oh. No! Run, run, run as fast as you can.
It's really good.
Really? Good, huh? It's so soft. Oh my goodness.
I think, well, for me, like the body's better because there's more frosting on the back.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I still want to lick the frosting off of it.
Well, we've never done this ride before, so here we go. Something completely new. We figured out that these are astrological signs, so we are going to go find our astrological sign because luckily Jackie and I share one, so hopefully we can get in. I got scared. The last time I went on this, it like flew me so hard that I felt like I was gonna fall out, so Maybe I'll try it again one day, but not today. She looks terrified. Was it too tall? She's just riding low and slow. Low and slow. Oh, there she goes. She's going higher. Okay. You look so funny because you look like you're just like riding low and slow.
I had to reach with my foot.
Oh, you did great. It's 53 degrees outside right now, and we're gonna go ride Splash Mountain. This may be the worst idea of our lives. Okay, we swear we didn't ask for the back seats. We were just given them. God said today, you will not get too wet, maybe a little wet. Here we go. Oh my God, it's so wet inside that ride. This may be the worst idea we've ever done. So Jackie figured out that if she sits in the back seat, she can safely put her feet up and it keeps them dry. I do not have the same luxury. Oh God, look at all that water rushing. We have made the biggest mistake of our lives. Whoa! So rude. I have so much anxiety right now about getting wet. Oh my God, here it is. It's our first fall. I'm so terrified. Oh my God. I'm already wet. I'm already wet. I'm already wet. Yeah. For me too. We're fine. Oh, she's soaked in a bowl. Look. Soaked. Oh, that's why we get free Ziploc. Oh, look, I could just take them all. I kind of want to. So they give you these cool Ziploc bags that say, have a zippity doo dah day and keep your dry. Wait, keep dry with Ziploc. Well, I personally feel really thankful to only be minimally wet.
Yeah.
Alright guys, here we are at the Mint Julep bar where they have holiday specials. The holiday special they have now is actually a peppermint candy cane beignet, so we are super excited to try it. We got it with the chocolate dipping sauce.
It's like right in front of you.
So now we're on our way over to California Adventures because we have a fast pass to Indiana Jones. To the Incredicoaster. I did good. Okay.
We vlog good.
Yeah, very good vlog. Okay. Alright, let's go. The Incredicoaster. And we have fast passes, yay! I think your hair might be a little tangled. It's been years since we've done Goofy's Sky School. So let's see what this is all about. Wow, it's so bright. Oh my God, I hate this ride so much. I'm not fine! I'm not fine! Everything's fine. You need to calm down.
That is so surprising. It's one of the Country Bear Jamboree characters. So
I'm Dr. Bear.
oh my goodness, are we spending the night here?
You wish.
I do wish strongly. No, we're just on our way to see what they did for Christmas, see what gingerbread houses they might have. I heard it's always beautiful here during the holidays.
Hold on, wait.
So inside there we just saw who?
Pluto. He got
Huh.
in front of us and changed his costume. We must have gone really slow.
I guess so. The thing is, I don't remember stopping and I don't remember seeing him pass by us at all. Okay, well, firstly, they have a ginormous tree in here. And the entire place smells so good, like the inside of Haunted Mansion holiday. But there that is. It says that it's a grand gingerbread house. It's 7 feet tall and 12 feet wide. Edible elements took 1,400 hours to bake and assemble. The wooden infrastructure weighs 700 pounds, and there are 25 hidden Mickeys. Jackie walks straight up to this thing. She's like, there's one. Oh my goodness. His Christmas sweater actually lights up. How amazing is that? Oh wow, what's this? The Redwood Creek Santa's Holiday Visit. I am not doing that again. So right here in this Holly Jolly area, you can actually ride the reindeer.
If you're 12 and under.
Yeah, if you're 12 and under and weigh under a certain amount.
Yeah.
So, not us.
No version of Jackie could have gone on.
Yeah, or Jess. Well, Santa has been spotted. Oh no, the lock's been blocked. Park rangers are stealing all of our fun.